Hi, we will discuss today is what next. So post result, what next thing will happen, I'm getting the call and messages. In fact, entire team are what next, how we have to do it. So there are important points which we'll discuss in today's video. This video will be very helpful, and we have some announcement also which we'll keep for the end because all our regular viewer and people who watch our all videos, so we keep for them some questions, some announcement, some important key point for the end. Starting, I would like to say that before what next step which we'll discuss, before that, press the bell icon button, because I see most of you subscribe, but bell icon is the one most important thing, because the video will reach to you first and you will get the information, so you can raise your questions here in comment box and immediately you will get the answer the moment you write your question. Well, or if you are not getting it, stay connected, stay calmly, you will get the answer as well. Well, I'll start about the what next. The process is, after getting the result, you all are getting worried, oh, I got the result online, but where it is, I haven't received the mail. The next process is NIFT will send you the result. Okay, the result that will come in your mail saying that you got so and so rank, this is probably you are shortlisted for this rank, and based on this you will have counseling, because this rank is only valid for your counseling. You are getting a counseling through that. This is not satisfied that you got the admission. क्लियर है, ये रैंक सिर्फ काउंसलिंग के लिए है. एडमिशन जब तक आप लोगे नहीं, आपका अभी कंफर्म नहीं हुआ. रैंक आने से एडमिशन नहीं होता. दैट्स व्हाट इट्स मेंशन इन सच ए वे. दूसरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, द सेकंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स आर व्हेन द काउंसलिंग विल स्टार्ट. दैट्स अ क्वेश्चन एवरीबॉडी इज कीप asking, कब होगा counseling? Well, so the sources are reliable sources which we have. It says that by the next week you will get the dates, you will get the mail which will show that when is your counseling. So today is the most important announcement is when is your counseling. So it will reach to you next week, counseling date, times and all. So बहुत जरूरी है जो आप calmly इस बात का wait करो. Yeah. Then there are few students, though they have a medical issues and other things. Guys, I would like to suggest you, there are many things which you guys are keep sharing is, you are can share on our YouTube channel itself, because it's a family, you all are connected here. Else, if you are not very much comfortable, fill the Google form, write your question there in YouTube channel. We'll answer you there also, but it's something very important. Fill the Google form which is here, that's mentioned there, Ignite Inquiry Form. So moment you are filling the inquiry form or counseling form for NIFT, step by step, all this information which I'm telling you right now here in YouTube videos, the same information immediately it will reach to you through us. टीम आपको पहुंचाएगी. और सेकंड थिंग, वॉट एवर इज योर पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स आर एंड थिंग्स विच कम्स इन योर माइंड, जो चीजें आपको परेशान कर रही है, आवर टीम विल कॉन्टेक्ट यू फॉर दैट एंड वी विल आंसर यू, बिकॉज आई नो द फ्यू थिंग्स which is something which you want to discuss. You need mentor for that, so our team will ensure that you will have mentor and they will answer your question. Now the important announcement is, which I was talking about, this counseling may goes in around 5 to 6 round. Yes, that's what I'm saying. This year, based on analysis, our team has seen counseling will go in a multiple round. So what you need to do if you want to be a part of it, you have to fill the form for counseling round 1, round 2, round 3. As per that, stay in all round. One question is which comes in a student mind, do we need to pay extra? No, you do not need to pay extra. Whichever amount you are paying for your counseling, that will adjust in your college fee. In case if you will not getting the colleges, you will get your money returned. NIFT don't take any extra money till the now. They haven't announced this year ka, but till now what I have seen in the earlier counselings and admission procedure and also never they have charged the student anything. Neither they charge the student nor they charge the administration for anything. तो आपको थोड़ा भी परेशान होने की बात नहीं है. अगर आप सेकंड थर्ड राउंड काउंसलिंग के लिए अगर कुछ पैसे पे कर रहे हो या आपको कुछ पे करना पड़ रहा है अमाउंट, if you have already joined the NIFT, that will adjustable in your fee and the college direction. So आपको परेशान होने की कोई बात नहीं है. The information which reaching to you is not right. Then there are some rumor in the market, so I will ask about the rumor and false information also. The rumor is earlier before the result, the one rumor was the weightage of GAT is 50%. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. 50% was the CAT weightage, 30% was the GAT का, और situation test cancel हो गया था. So you have your final result out of 80. That is what NIFT has done it. This rumor, maybe few of you know about it. So अभी ये है, so if your rank is above 2000 in general, आपको सीट नहीं मिलेगा. सीट मिलेगा, that is our guarantee. We are telling you will get the rank. आपकी अगर rank above 800 900 है, ओबीसी में सीट नहीं मिलेगा या, बट वी कैन नॉट टेल यू राइट नाउ द डिपार्टमेंट सीट्स एंड ऑल. द ओनली द वेरी simple way, there is a one Google form, you have to go fill that Google form for the counseling. The team here to help you and mentor you, we will make sure that you will get one of the best center, best department, best college. Okay, कैसे मिलेगा, क्या होगा, हम देखेंगे. That will goes once the counseling goes into the first round, second round, third round, तब हमें पता चलेगा क्या होने वाला है. तो अभी कहना मुश्किल है क्या होगा. Okay, so that's it for this video and this information. I hope it's you guys are liking the video. Make sure that you stay with till the end of the video. और आप अपने सजेशन हमारे लिए छोड़ो, यहाँ पे कमेंट बॉक्स में जाओ. हाउ यू आर लाइकिंग दिस वीडियो, इज इट हेल्पफुल, कैसे हो रहा है, करेंट सिनेरियो में आपको क्या लग रहा है क्या होने वाला है, हाउ निफ्ट विल रिएक्ट, हाउ इट विल बी, and what is the next things you want me to make the video. If you will say me the point, if you will share me your detail, I'll make sure that the video will come to you for sure soon. Yeah, so that's it, signing off.